The curious case of queer fish. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the ocean of English idioms and phrases. Our catch of the day is the intriguing phrase, queer fish. Let's explore its meaning, origins, and how to use it in daily conversations. Queer fish is actually made up of two separate words. 1. Queer. Originally, queer meant strange or peculiar. Over time, it has taken on multiple meanings and connotations. In the context of our phrase, it still holds the meaning of strange. 2. Fish. This word, in its literal sense, refers to the aquatic creatures that swim in our seas and rivers. But in idioms, fish sometimes represents people or characters. Together, queer fish is a British colloquial term which refers to a strange or eccentric person. Queer fish can be traced back to older English literature. The phrase has been used to describe individuals who stand out because of their odd or unconventional behavior. Remember, these phrases arise from the way societies observe and categorize unusual occurrences or people. In this case, a person behaving differently was seen as a different kind of fish in the vast sea of humanity. Now, let's look at how you can use this phrase. 1. My neighbor is a bit of a queer fish. He collects rainwater and paints with it. 2. She's always been a queer fish, preferring to read about adventures than to go on one. 3. You might find his habits strange. But in this big world, everyone's a queer fish in their own right. English is rich with phrases that paint vivid pictures, and queer fish is just one of them, capturing the essence of eccentricity in just 2 words. Remember, it's these nuances and idiomatic expressions that make a language colorful and alive. We hope this video has been enlightening. Keep swimming through the sea of English, and you're bound to discover many more fascinating phrases.